The best natural way to whiten your teeth is actually with baking soda. Forget all those crust white strips and whatnot. You don't need them. You can find this baking soda tooth powder that I found on Amazon, or mix together equal parts baking soda and water and brush your teeth as you would normally. Do this for a week and wait until you see the results. Bye bye white strips.
So this is what I like to call a $1 million smile. It is my best asset. However, I haven't been recruited by motherfucking Colgate Crest or Sensodyne. So Miley, what's good? Okay, but when I was 14, I was a literal psychopath, and I did the Crest white strips twice, like the 32-week one. However, I can't suggest that anymore because it's super not sustainable. You're literally gonna be throwing away all that plastic waste, and for what? When there are better alternatives out there to make your teeth look excellent, and I'm gonna show you how. My mom got me this charcoal whitening kit. So this is the brand that I use, and it comes with a bamboo toothbrush, sustainable, shameless plug. And I just brushed my teeth for a minute, and your mouth gets all black, but I think that's where the magic happens because it helps contrast the white on your teeth and literally makes them glow better than any of the strips, and that's my secret.
This is just a PSA for everybody who tries to whiten their teeth but hates how bad like Crest white strips and stuff hurt. All you need is hydrogen peroxide. The active ingredient in whitening stuff is hydrogen peroxide anyway, so don't overpay. You can even use it as a mouthwash. This was 88 cents. I put a little on my toothbrush and then brush like normal, and it works the same. We don't overpay for things in this house.
I'ma make you pump like that. Make you pump like that. Make you pump like that.
Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you.
Bananas are so healthy for you. That potassium, good for the heart, good for the muscles and nervous system. Bananas are, where did it go? That's okay. The inside of the banana, that's what I'm going to talk about. Magnesium, manganese, potassium. Put the inside of the banana against your teeth and rub it for about 1 to 2 minutes. After a couple weeks, the stains will be gone and they will be white as can be.
Gonna feel real good, alright? Most dope. Everybody please put a thumb in the air.
1, 2, 3, 4. Some crazy ass kids coming knock up on your door, so let 'em in, let 'em in, let 'em in.
Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy, shuffle, 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 shuffle. Flex one hand, show the muscle, bring around town, hit it out the park, 2 hands on her mouth like a muzzle. Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy, shuffle, 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 shuffle. Flex one hand, show the muscle, bring around town, hit it out the
Bum 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 bum. Mr. Simon.
If you follow me, you know I love saving money. So here's something that has saved me tons of money on whitening my teeth at home, and I've been doing it for like over 10 years. Anyway, so I had a friend who was in dental hygiene school, and she found out that the active ingredient in whitening stuff is, one of them that they use is carbamide peroxide. And this stuff that you can get at like Walmart or online, that's between $3 and $7, called glyoxide, will whiten your teeth the same as like Crest white strips, and I don't know, I think it's even better. Like, I've been whitening my teeth with it for years, and it's awesome. I just put it directly on my teeth, and sometimes I even blow dry it. I don't know if that's safe, but either way, it works. Try it.